brief overview of the blockchain app that I currently have running on my system. Over here, I built it with VS Code, and you can as well do it on Remit here. It manages everything for you. You can do it here and compile and build. But currently, I have it running on my VS Code. And for Blockchain Explorer, I have Ganache here, which I am running locally on my host, and I have this here. And for my Wallet Explorer, I have MetaMask here. So this MetaMask here is a plugin which you can install on Chrome, and it will be running. And to add, maybe to create a wallet, you can import an account here. For you to import, this is the mnemonics for this particular account, and I've already connected it to this place. That's why you can see I have this. And over here, let me see, it's my project, which is pet adoption project. Here you can adopt a pet. So currently I have this running here on my local host here. So let's go ahead and test run the app. So when I click on adopt, let's say I click on adopt, over here it will tell me this running on my local host, and this is my wallet address. So the estimated gas fee is this, and the total I am paying for this is this. So I can confirm this particular transaction, or I can reject it. But before then, let me quickly show you. This is my current block, is 8, and these are the transactions I've completed so far. These are the transactions that I've completed. So let's quickly add this other transaction. So I click on adopt and I confirm. So it will remove this guy from the blockchain. So it says success. So this guy has been already adopted, so nobody else can adopt it. It's off the blockchain. So let's quickly look at what we have here. Currently I have 9 transactions because of the last one I did, and over here on my Meta I have this because I've already done some transactions again. So this is the transaction that I did, and that's just that. This is the 30 seconds 3 minutes video. So I will stop here. I will give you further information when I see 50 hands raised. Thank you.